explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 13 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adverbs, right? So in this chapter we are going to talk about the adverbs. So first of all, let me tell you what these adverbs are, right? So, adverbs are basically the words that add some more information to the verbs, right? ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि वर्ब्स के बारे में हमें और एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हो, वो हमें और भी चीज़ें बताते हो कि कोई काम अगर किया गया तो कैसे किया गया, राइट? क्यों किया गया? हाउ इट वाज डन, right? All these informations when we get about the verbs. So those words are known as the adverbs, right? So let's just begin with the chapter and know more about them. An adverb is a word that adds meaning to a verb, an adjective or an adverb, right? तो एक एडवर्ब जो है वो एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि वर्ब के साथ ऐड होता है, राइट? और वो उसका कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मीनिंग हमें बताता है, राइट? एंड नॉट ओनली अबाउट वर्ब, it tells us more about an adjective or any other adverb also, right? So Tariq ate his sandwich quickly when no one was looking, right? So यहाँ पर जो वर्ड है quickly, right, modifies the verb ate. तो ये एक्चुअली एक एडवर्ब है जो कि हमारे वर्ब ate को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. नेक्स्ट, इट वॉज अ वेरी डिलिशियस सैंडविच. सो यहाँ पर जो ये वेरी है ये हमारे एडवर्ब ये हमारे एडजेक्टिव डिलिशियस को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. So very is the adverb over here. Next, he placed his lunch box back in his bag very quietly. So यहाँ पर भी ये जो very है ये adverb है जो कि हमारे adverb quietly को ही दोबारा से modify कर रहा है. Correct? Now, next we have kinds of adverbs. तो अब बात अगर की जाए एडवर्ब्स के काइंड्स की, तो लेट्स सी कितने काइंड्स के एडवर्ब्स होते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स. तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीके के एडवर्ब्स होते हैं, राइट? सो इट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. तो अभी एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर क्या है? व्हिच टेल्स अस हाउ एक्शंस टेक प्लेस. तो ये हमें बताते हैं कि जो एक्शंस हैं वो कैसे किए गए, हाउ वर दे परफॉर्म्ड, राइट? सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर आर. तो अब कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर के हैं. क्वाइटली, सेफली, हंग्रीली, ब्राइटली, रेगुलरली एंड हार्ड, राइट? Next, Tariq quickly completed his work and hungrily ate his dinner, right? Next, we have the kind which is adverb of place. तो अब बात की जाए adverb of place के बारे में. So, it tells us where an action takes place. Obviously, प्लेस के बारे में हमें पढ़कर ही पता चल रहा है कि ये हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी एक्शन किस जगह पर, किस प्लेस पर परफॉर्म किया गया था. करेक्ट? सो सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस आर. अब कुछ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस के एग्जाम्पल्स हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. जिस आउटसाइड, अपस्टेयर्स, देयर, नियर बाय एंड एवरीवेयर, right? So just the students went downstairs and stood outside the art room. Right? Next, we have adverbs of time. तो अब बात की जाए adverbs of time के बारे में. So, it tells us when an action takes place. तो adverb of time जो है वो हमें बताता है कि कोई action कब किया गया था. What was the time of that action being performed? So, some examples of adverbs of time are tomorrow, already, now, recently, ever. तब कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हमें यहाँ पर एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम के दिए गए हैं जो कि है tomorrow, already, now, recently and ever. Right? The art showcase was recently announced in school. And students are already excited. Correct? Next, we have adverbs of frequency. So, अब ये adverbs of frequency क्या है? Let's see. It tells us how often an action happens. तो ये हमें बताता है कि कैसे कोई काम कितनी बार परफॉर्म किया गया. Right? Some examples of adverbs of frequency are rarely, ever, often, frequently, occasionally, annually, twice a week. Right? तो कुछ examples adverbs of frequency के हैं rarely, ever, often, frequently, occasionally, annually, or twice a week. So the examples are the students rarely show any interest in this event. But this year we often saw them crowding the art room. These are also called adverbs of number. Right? इन adverbs of frequency को हम adverbs of number के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Next, we have adverbs of degree. तो अब ये adverbs of degree क्या है? It tells us the extent of an action. कि कोई action किस हद तक, what was the limit of that action being performed. Right? So, some examples of adverbs of degree are really, much, extremely, just, almost, quite and very. Right? तो कुछ examples of adverbs of degree हमारे हैं really, much, extremely, just, almost, quite या फिर very. So we have the example which says the parents really appreciate the showcase as they feel very happy when they see the work of their children. Right? Next, we have relative adverbs. तो अब बात की जाए relative adverbs की. So they function like relative pronouns. तो ये काम करते हैं बिल्कुल relative pronouns की तरह. Right? They join sentences or clauses using when, where or why. तो ये actually sentences को join करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Right? जैसे कि words को use करके when, where or why. Correct? This is the hotel where we stayed. I don't see why he can't come. Correct? Next, sentence adverbs. अब ये sentence adverbs क्या है? Let's see. Modify an entire sentence or clause. तो ये या तो पूरे sentence को ही modify कर देते हैं या फिर एक proper clause को. So, Sentence adverbs are obviously, usually, normally, unfortunately, etc. तो ये सभी हमारे sentence adverbs हैं, right? So the examples are ideally, he should have completed the building. Next, unfortunately, it began to rain for just as the match started. Right? Now, the next thing that we have is the caution, right? Which is this being used as an adverb? Right? So, let's say words like fast, hard, near, and far can be used as both adverbs and adjectives, right? तो ये सभी words जो हैं वो दोनों ही adverbs और adjectives की तरह use किए जा सकते हैं, right? To determine whether a word is an adverb कि अगर ध्यान दिया जाए, राइट, और हमें पता लगाना हो कि वो जो वर्ड है वो एक एडवर्ब है या फिर चेक इफ इट डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन, या फिर हमें ये देखना हो कि वो किसी नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है या फिर एड्स टू द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव, या फिर वो किसी एडजेक्टिव के बारे में हमें कुछ और बताए, या फिर किसी एडवर्ब या फिर एक वर्ब के बारे में, राइट? सो Usain Bolt runs fast. So here fast is the adverb and it is modifying the verb runs over here, right? Next, Usain Bolt is a fast runner. So adjective here is fast and it is actually describing the noun runner over here, right? Now, moving ahead. Next thing that we have is the position of adverbs. अब जो adverbs की position है, तो let's see what they are telling us about the adverbs of position. So it is adverbs of manner are usually placed in the end position. तो ये जो adverbs of manner है, ये usually place किए जाते हैं इनकी end position में. But an adverb that ends in ly can sometimes be placed in the mid position, right? कि usually place किए जाते हैं end position में, पर एक adverb जो कि ly पर end होता हो, कभी कभी place किया जाता है उसकी mid position में, right? So examples are Rizwan quickly ran across the room. Rizwan ran across the room quickly. He ran fast. Correct. Next, we have adverbs of place are usually placed after the object. तो ये जो adverbs of place होती हैं ये actually object के बाद ही place की जाती हैं अगर उसमें कोई object है तो, और else after the verb, या फिर ये किसी verb के बाद भी place की जा सकती है, right? जैसे कि examples, it is windy outside. The artists are sitting there. Alia has gone to the market nearby, right? Next, we have adverbs of time are usually placed in the front position or in the end position, right? तो ये जो adverbs of time है ये usually place किए जाते हैं front position पे या फिर end position में, right? They have shifted to this house recently. Yesterday, we went to the observatory. And We went to the observatory yesterday. Right? Next, we have adverbs of frequency. So, adverbs of frequency usually occupy the mid position in the sentence. तो ये जो adverbs of frequency है, ये usually sentence में एक mid position को grab करते हैं. Right? We visited them frequently during their stay in Delhi. Right? Next, have you always lived in this city? Clear? Now, adverbs of degree. So, adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjective or the adverb they modify. तो ये जो adverbs of degree है, ये usually place की जाती है adjective से पहले या फिर उन adverbs के पास जिन्हें ये modify करते हैं. They are also sometimes placed before the main verb. तो ये कभी कभी मेन वर्ब से पहले भी प्लेस किए जाते हैं. राइट? नेक्स्ट, द डेजर्ट इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी टू बी सर्व्ड. द रेस्टोरेंट सर्व much better soup than the one next to it. Piyush was quite rude to us in the morning. Correct? Next, now we have the one-head verb for several words. तो अब जब हम कुछ words के लिए राइट सिर्फ एक adverb को ही यूज करें तो वो क्या है? Let's see. So they say that adverbs can also be used to express something briefly. कि हम इन adverbs को ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हैं जब हमें किसी चीज को बहुत ही शॉर्ट और प्रिसाइज तरीके से बताना हो. राइट? That would otherwise require several words. और अगर हम उसे ऐसे एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाएंगे एडवर्ब्स के थ्रू तो हमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करना पड़ेगा उस चीज का मीनिंग एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. करेक्ट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव इज एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस. तो अब अगर बात की जाए एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस के बारे में, सो एन एडवर्ब क्लॉज is the part of a sentence which works as an adverb. तो एक adverb clause एक sentence का ऐसा part है जो कि adverb का ही काम करता है. An adverb clause is a dependent clause as it needs the rest of the sentence. कि एक adverb clause एक dependent clause है as it needs the rest of the sentence क्योंकि उसे बाकी का sentence भी चाहिए होता है. राइट? ताकि वो अपने कंप्लीट थॉट को एक्सप्रेस कर सके. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल, शी वेंट बैक होम बिकॉज शी वॉज नॉट फीलिंग वेल. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट, डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस that tell us when an action happened are called adverb clauses of time. तो ऐसे dependent clauses जो हमें बताएं कि वो action किस समय पर perform किया गया था तब वो adverb clauses of time कहलाता है. Conjunctions that are used to connect an adverb clause of time with an independent clause include after, before, since, whenever, as long as. Right? तो ऐसे conjunctions जिन्हें यूज किया जा सके to connect an adverb clause of time, जिन्हें adverb clause of time को connect करना पड़े. राइट? एक independent clause के साथ वो words ये सभी हैं जो यहाँ पर मेंशन है. राइट? एग्जाम्पल पढ़ते हैं. We always wash our hands before having something to eat. Right? Next, similarly, adverb clauses of place tell us where the action took place. इसी तरीके से जो एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस ऑफ प्लेस होते हैं वो हमें बताते हैं कि जो एक्शन है वो कहाँ पर परफॉर्म किया गया. Conjunctions that are used are where and whenever. तो जो conjunctions हम यूज करते हैं adverb clauses of place को दिखाने के लिए वो होते हैं where या फिर wherever, right? Example, we will stop wherever we see a green picnic spot, right? Next, now we have adverb clauses of reason or purpose. So they tell us why the action took place. अब ये जो reason और purpose वाले clauses हैं ये हमें बताते हैं कि जो action है वो क्यों perform किया. What was the reason behind that the action was being performed, right? Conjunctions that are used include as, because, in order to या फिर since. तो conjunctions जिन्हें हम यूज कर सकते हैं वो है because, as, in order to या फिर since, right? They can only be used for adverb clauses of reason and purpose, right? So the examples, we stayed in our classrooms since it was raining outside, right? So it is of reason. And in order to finish her work quickly, Keto asked her brother to help her, which is of purpose, right? Now, next, in addition to these adverb clauses, there are adverb clauses of comparison of degree. तो इन्हीं adverb clauses के साथ join करने के बाद we have adverb clauses of comparison या फिर degree, right? And adverb clauses of comparison of manner, right? Adverb clauses of comparison of manner are introduced by the relative adverbs. तो ये actually relative adverbs के through introduce किए जाते हैं. Just like she knows more about gardening than them, right? तो हमने यहाँ पर ये relative adverb use किया है which is of degree. And the lights were switched off at 9 p.m. sharp as planned. So this is the adverb of manner, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.